Cooking, we're gonna make us some food now. Cooking.
Hola amigos, tonight is taco night, yeah. I was told to say that. Anyway, we're gonna do taco night tonight. Who doesn't have a taco night at home? I know that. Well, why not have a taco night out in the bush? I've had the mow grown a bit, you know, so I'll look a bit authentic for the taco night. Now, the way it works is you need some tortillas. We got some tortillas here. Now, these are Barramundi tacos with a guacamole sauce. How's that sound? Sounds bloody tasty. All right, so I reckon we start with our barramundi. So we get the barramundi kicking. Where do we got it? It's in the, here we go, in the fridge. So we get the barramundi out. Thing about tacos, they're quick, they're easy. That's the sort of cooking I like in the bush, because you're gonna be wasting your time mucking around doing all sorts of, I don't know, fancy a la carte meals, which is apparently French for off the menu. Nice little strips, and this is fresh barramundi, I'm not kidding, this is fresh stuff. There we go, thin strips like that. Now, what we want is our coating, or fish mix if you want to call it. So salt and pepper, got some corn flour, we'll chuck some corn flour in, about that much corn flour, and we got some paprika. So all paprika is going to give it a nice red coating. We're going to chuck a fair bit of paprika in. That's enough. Seal her up, and away we go. And we just coat that up beautifully. Look at that, nicely coated, beautifully coated actually. Now, get me oil back on the pan, on the stove there, and we're going to grab nice pieces, and we're going to stick them in there on the hot oil. Get that happening. We want them nice and crispy. Don't cook them too long. You don't want to go too tough. You want them nice and crispy pieces. You want those flavors. You want that barramundi. Barramundi's a bloody good fish to be cooking in little crispy chunks. I'll tell you now, it is the pride, or it is the prize fish of the Northern Territory. Always want to catch it, always want to eat it. That's just how it goes. Alrighty, I've got some guacamole. All right, so that's just crushed up, basically avocado. I'll grab my cutting board here, and I'm going to sprinkle, we'll squeeze a little bit of lime in that, and what that does is makes it nice and tangy. So we'll just sprinkle that into our avocado, and that's all you got to do. Salt and pepper. Mix that up. Now, we've got to make the salsa. Now this is the salsa or the salad or whatever you want to call it that we're going to put into our little taco with the pieces of fish. So, first of all, I've got some mango lime sort of chili dressing. So we're going to stick that in there, in with our onions. Sort of cheat a little bit there. We're going to get some real, not real, but out of a tin mangoes. It's a bit hard to get actual proper mangoes. Cut that up. Bit of mango, and put that in. All right, a couple of tomatoes. We'll grab them out. So cut them up nice and fine. There we go, we're going to chuck that in there. All right, bit of Tabasco sauce, or Tabasco as they call it. You're going to drip that in there like that, not too much, it'll make it too hot. Don't forget the lime. Jeez, oh, the flavours coming out of there is just brilliant. That, it's like spicy, sort of, you know, lemony, limey, it's just beautiful, beautiful flavours. Alrighty, that's our barramundi. Swap out frying pans, and we're going to warm these up, give them little brown spots on them. Don't want to burn them, because when they come out of the packet, they just come out crap. There we go. Alrighty. Simon, mate, dinner's ready, taco night, come in, mate.
You have to excuse me though, mate, I haven't got the mow going on.
Oh, mate, it's taco night, you got to get the mow going on. I'll tell you what, now these are, they're not like, you know, they're only little, they're little tasty little bites.
As long as there's lots of them.
Well, you can make up, I got a whole pile of them there.
Bring them on.
Warmed them up.
Bring them
on.
on.
Right, okay, so we get some nice little strips. So these are little barra strips.
Great.
Okay, so we stick one of those in, we'll put two in. Then we get a bit of the salsa, mango salsa. Like that. Remember, it's all about the flavour. There's some serious flavour going on here,
You're
mate.
flasher and flasher every year.
Yeah, and then we stick on a little bit of the guacamole. All right. Well, these ones are so small, we're actually not going to be able to flip them. What we're actually going to do is we're just going to be able to go
All that.
like that. So you grab him like that,
And then hook in.
and then away you go, mate. Make
Look
sure he
at
doesn't spill out the ends.
Get all the ingredients also, get them all in one hit.
Yeah, that's it. Have a bit of a bite. Chew him from the end. Tell me what you think.
I think you're going to be busy and you need to cook a bit more.
What does that mean?
Bloody good.
It's taco night.
Very nice, mate.
There you
very
go,
nice.
guys. It's taco night.
Awesome.
It's easy as. Don't disappear.
Well, you just keep like...
Yeah, that's what I mean. I'll work them up. I'll have one, you have one, that sort of thing. You know what I mean? There's plenty here, mate.
So tasty.
Is it?
It's good.
Oh, there we go. That barra is awesome, isn't it? Mate, not only is it good to catch it, but it's also good to eat it in the
Perfect.
bush. Taco night. Thanks, guys. I hope you like that recipe, because there's many more in my new bush cookbook, about that much, with a bonus DVD.
Cooking, gonna make us some food now.